Good afternoon, Dan Dwyer from Eastern Rural Dalby, just here with today's market report being Wednesday the 18th of June. Today combined agents yarded a total of 5,565 head, an increase of 173 head on last week. Getting into it, the bullocks today would range from 290 to 333 for an average of 325. They were up 5 from last week. Heavy bulls 270 to 320, an average of 304. They're firm. Your feeder steer 330 to 424 for an average of 379, back 1 on last week. Your feeder heifers 270 to 360, an average of 327, also back 1. Heavy prime cow range from 280 to 329, an average of 304. They're up 14. Light store cows 176 to 240, an average of 208. They'll back 20. Your light bulls 294 to 336, an average of 315, back 25 on those guys. Your trade weight feeder steers, they range from 370 to 441, an average of 413. They're up 11. Your trade weight feeder heifers range from 270 to 350, an average of 317. They'll back 18. Your weaner steer 348 to 455, an average of 415. They'll back 8 cents. Your weaner heifer, they'll 240 cents to 346, an average of 284, back 38 cents. Next week we're 5th position. Keep sending them.